while we're here, these from Superint. You see my unboxing the other day. I actually been using them, trying to use them for a couple of weeks. No, I don't even need a full video. They have put out much better products than this. The Black Devil, they have a silver clipper that is much better than these, cut better than these. They have had trimmers better than these. No, that's it. You can't set the blade on the trimmer. They're light. There's no power. Just no. No.
Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie, back with another video. Today we just have an unboxing of some new clippers from Babyliss, right? But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube, right? So today we have a new product from Babyliss, which is the LithiumFX trimmer and the LithiumFX clipper. These are from Babyliss. They are out now. As far as the release date, I do not even remember exactly when these came out. They were supposed to send me some, but they didn't, and I was getting impatient. So I ordered me some, and now we're here. And I have been using them, but today we're not gonna really do a deep review. We're just gonna kind of talk about the product as is right now, right? So we're gonna start with the trimmer, and the trimmer is here, right? Let's see what this all comes with and all of that good stuff, right? The gold titanium exposed blade with the 360 view. That's the skeleton. It got 6,800 RPM, ergonomic grip housing, lithium ion battery with 4 hours of runtime, LED low battery indicator, 30-minute quick charge. And yeah, so let's see what comes in the box. I haven't even, so right when I got these, I took them out and just been using them. I haven't even been able, but I haven't even opened them to see what comes with it, right? And this is a clipper and trimmer, but it's more of a entry level trimmer and clipper set. The trimmer is $139 and I believe the clipper is $159. But we're just gonna focus on the trimmer for now. Oh, before that fall off. But you take it out, you slide it out the box. Of course, it has this black plastic over, and this is what comes in the box. You have the charging cable, the clipper oil, the zero gap tool, and the cleaning brush. And then I wonder if anybody can answer this. Why do the clipper companies not come with the blade guard on the trimmer and clipper? Like, why do they put them in plastic? I don't know what that's for. And then you got a sticker and then the pamphlet that comes with it, right? So let's get into the design. Here is the design. And if y'all seen my not last review, but I did a review on the original lithium, the clipper, but this is the trimmer that matches with it. All right, got the power button here on the side, the switch, get the honeycomb design, and it does come with the Gold FX blade. And I have been using this, and I haven't said it yet, which is why I'm not doing a full review, but fresh out the box, they not hitting. You can use them to kind of bald out and all that stuff right out the box, but as far as getting a crispy line, they not there yet. But we will set them, because of course it got the Gold FX blade, 6,800 RPM, so we will set them and actually see what it comes, you know, the power that it actually packs, right? So again, the charging port down here at the bottom, Gold FX blade. Not loud at all. You see they got the Babyliss Pro here. They not loud at all. So they small, fit in your hand. this is the comparison to their GoFX. As far as lengthwise, the GoFX is a little bit longer, but nothing crazy. But it's nice, it's small, fits in your hand. Of course, you got the 360 design, the skeleton design. So yeah, 139, more of a entry level. If you're looking for a budget style trimmer, or if you're just looking not to spend so much money on something. But we will get into if it's actually worth that 139 or if they're overcharging for that 139. But that is the trimmer, and that's what comes in the package. Not too much with the trimmer. So okay, we got that. And then we have the clipper, and the clipper comes in pretty much the same package. As you can see, this is the trimmer and clipper package together. Pretty much the same design. And as far as what's included, you got the titanium wedge blade, the 5 taper control, the click lever. It says now this extends to a 4.2 millimeter long life ball bearing DC motor, 6800 RPM, ergonomic grip housing, on and off switch. I'm about to say, why do it advertise on and off switch? But it's the design, and we'll talk about the design of that in a second. 2 hours of runtime. So the trimmer gets 4 hours of runtime. The clipper gets 2 hours. The LED indicator and new universal charging port. So I'm guessing they go into they go back to their original Babyliss trimmer port, but we'll talk about that in a second when we talk about the design of the not old, but the first revamped version of the LithiumFX clipper. Again, we'll get these open. And as far as what comes in the box, you get the original Babyliss blades, and these actually are, to me personally, I like these better than their premium, because the premium are like they're good, they're sturdy, but these, I don't know, it kind of feeds better through the hair with these. They're not as thick. Of course, you get the clipper oil, brush, the charging cable, and they do got in a separate bag, the one in the half guard, and then you get a pamphlet and sticker as well. So that's everything that comes with that, and it comes up to the 6 guard, and this is the design of the clipper. Same thing as the trimmer, their new on and off switch here, and you can see, if you can see that, it has like the numbers that it opens up to here, kind of like the fractions of it, the wedge blade. And I'm not a big fan of the wedge blade, but it's good. Again, this is not a full detailed review. This is just kind of seeing what's out there, what's new, right? And the reason why it says a new on and off switch and a new universal port is this. This is the original one. This one also came with a wedge blade. I just switched it to a fade blade because I'm not a fan of the wedge blade. But as you can see, the design of this, the on and off switch was here, and it's a little bit, can y'all see that? It's a little bit further up than it is on here, and it's not as flush. This one, you can actually see the indentation out. If I can switch it up. Switch it. All right. Instead of it being just flush onto the machine, it's kind of hard, and it's way down at the bottom, like way down at the bottom. So it's like, it was almost like a two-handed action to turn it off and on, but a little bit it moved this in the middle of the machine, and when you cutting, it's not as hard to turn off and on. And pretty much everything else is the same. You got a little bit of difference on the way that the click lever is designed, and supposedly it opens a little bit wider, which it looks like it does, but this is a fade blade. Again, this is the wedge blade that comes on it. And then at the bottom, this one came with its own charging port, which is cool, but when you got Babyliss and you got a bunch of Babyliss products, it's better to kind of have it where you can use another charger if you have one. And as far as what comes in the box versus what comes in the old box, it's pretty much the same. You get the same guards, charging port. I mean, it's a different charging port because it got it's not it's a more universal Babyliss charging port. But other than that, it comes with the same thing in the box. The first revamp comes with, I think it's like 6,500 RPM, and then the Clipper has 6,800 RPM. Again, it's not a deep review, but as far as using these, this is the sound. So it's cool, but you can feel, this is 159, you can feel using this that it doesn't have the power as some of the other Babyliss trimmers and clippers that you've been using. It's not bad. I will be switching blades though to get, when I do a full review. I'm not a fan of that, got the wrong one. I'm not a fan of the wedge blade. So I would rather put a taper blade or a fade blade on there. The wedge blade, I just don't like that design. It's like you gotta change the way that you angling in to cut. So I'm not a big fan of that. So yeah, but I just wanted to kind of show what was new out there. These are available now. If you want to buy you a pair or one or the other, you can use my discount code Reggie10, save you a couple dollars on these. And again, I will be doing a deep review on these real soon. I just kind of wanted to do the unboxing. All right. Clipper, trimmer, the Clipper is 139. The Clipper is 159. The trimmer is 139. They are available. So yeah, I like the design of the, I didn't really care for the design here. It just seems to fit better on a trimmer, in my opinion. All right, not that it's bad on the Clipper, it just fits better on the trimmer, in my opinion. It's just small, it's more detailed, it just fits in your hand. And these can use your other Babyliss trimmer, your Babyliss charger. So yeah. So I've already done a review of the original one, and besides the design of it and the click lever, it's not, the power switch and the design of the click lever and stuff, it's not too much of a big difference. But we will definitely get into the trimmer because the trimmer is new. So I will review the trimmer. If y'all want me to review the Clipper as well, leave a comment down below on that and we'll get to that. All right? Yeah. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. We will be back with another video, tutorial, unboxing, review very soon. Yeah, Babyliss, dropping a lot. Peace.